trick of housewives to remove stains from pots, pans, and even stove. To start today's tip, in a container I will add 500 milliliters of liquid detergent. The main item is detergent for its degreasing effect, thus facilitating the removal of stains and dirt from all your dishes and pots. Next we will also use toothpaste. The ideal amount for use is a tablespoon. The best of this tip is that with few ingredients we get a more efficient mixture than all products sold in the markets. After placing the products, we will mix well. We will also use a lemon. It is an indispensable item for the mixture for all its acidity, being ideal to fully squeeze the liquid into the mixture. Have you ever made any mixture for cleaning using toothpaste? It is certainly the main item for the removal of all the stains you have in your shapes and pots. Next, we will also use a tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda is always very suitable for cleaning tips. Its alkaline effect acts directly to remove stains and dirt. To finish, we will mix one last time and then we will have our tip ready for use. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Raquel Alves, from Portugal. I'm glad you are enjoying our tips. Once you are at this point, we will put all the mixture in a bottle, thus facilitating storage and use. I will use a funnel to avoid product waste. This package I'm using has the capacity of 500 milliliters and is already enough for use for at least 2 weeks. After placing all the product, we just must close and is already ready for use. You will easily notice the difference of this product among others sold in supermarkets. We should only apply the product directly to the pot that is dirty or even stained, and easily, just with the use of a sponge, I can remove all the dirt. You can even use steel sponge, just taking care for your type of pan. Then just rinse with water and it's ready. Tell me later if you got the result you expected with the use of this mixture. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.